Hi everybody, I'm Gary Tyson and welcome to the Easy Ways to Do Difficult Magic channel. If your plan is to create a presentation of magic for one person or a small group, you don't need to know 20 different ways to do a double lift. You don't need to know 10 ways to do a pass. You just need to know one or two that you do really, really well. That's really the important thing. So what I hope to do here is to show you some audience-tested methods that I've used for years to accomplish the same thing as some much more difficult sleights. Now, I don't want to discourage you from learning more difficult sleights, because once you get really good at it, you add it to your routine. So make sure you go and check out the videos of some amazing teachers online. Chris Ramsey, Alex Pandrea, Alex Boyer, Jason Parker, Spidey. There's so many. But what I hope to do is give you methods that will work really well in presenting a magical effect. So let's start with the way that I often start a card routine. Okay, this is silly, this is fun, but it kind of sets the mood for the fact that you're just there to have fun. I'm not here to show you, oh, I know something you don't know. I'm here to entertain you. It's a little play. Every trick is, got an opening and a first act, a second act, and a third act, right? So here's how I often start a card routine. Okay. I'm going to take half the deck, okay, and I want you to take the other half. Oh, I'm sorry, that one seems to have vanished. Okay, well, seriously, though, what I want you to do is I want you to select any card. Do not be influenced by me. Any card you'd like. Pick me, pick me. And then I would go on with the routine. So here's how simple that is. First off, you start out by taking a deck, holding it in dealer's grip, mechanic's grip, whatever you want to call it. You riffle off about half the deck, grab that in your left hand, grab the corner, do a fan as well as you can. These cards are a little old, but it's okay. And then you say, okay, I'm going to take half the deck, and then you take half the deck. Now that second time that you pass over, 1, 2, what you're doing is you're going 1, 2, and you're grabbing it between your first and second fingers of your other hand, just as you turn your hand over. It's pretty. It's not like really magical, but it's like I said, it sets the pace for what's to come. You take half the deck, you fan it out. You go, oh, I'll take one half, and then you take the other half. And then close it up. Another beauty of doing this is if you have a setup, like you already have the card set up somehow, it doesn't affect the setup, right? So you're taking the top half, you're spreading it out, say, okay, I'm going to take one half, and then you take the other half. Oh, hold on. Now the bottom half is still on the bottom. You close the fan on top. You've got the full deck set up exactly as you started. Then I'll say, okay, no, seriously, let's get back to the magic. I'm going to fan the cards. You pick any card, and don't be influenced by me. Any card. Okay, I mean, that's so simple it's stupid. You fan the cards. As you're fanning the cards, you come over with your left hand and push down on the bottom card. And then you use your right hand to just twist it around over there. All right, I mean, that's pretty much it. I use that, and then I start with the first magic trick. Hope you enjoyed. More to come. I have so many ideas and so many things that I've used over the years that I'd like to share with you. So please subscribe, and see you next time.